My video guide is about getting rid of the pop-up notifications that are related to the website called Atowithdra.space. Atowithdra.space. So some people may notice that these pop-ups are attacking their browsers, and the pop-up may indicate that you need to click on a special allow button, supposedly to enable some HD streaming feature in your browser. The reality is that clicking on allow button is obviously a serious mistake because this would immediately hijack the browser. You'll start getting a lot of ads if you click on the allow button by mistake. But on top of that, you also may be switched into the full screen mode, and some people don't know how to get out of that full screen. You simply may press the escape button on your keyboard, but you might have to do that several times. The pop-up is very annoying, it may distract you, and the point is that if you click on allow button by mistake, you will be distracted even more. By the way, some versions of these pop-ups may display pretty filthy content, so be careful. You'd rather immediately fix your browser to get rid of these annoying ads. So what to do if you have mistakenly clicked on allow button and now see these ads randomly? Go to the menu, click on settings, then scroll down to the special area named privacy and security, choose site settings. In permissions, click on notifications, go down to the bottom of the list that shows the web pages allowed to send notifications. So you will find this at Atowithdra.space and possibly some other junk sites too. Simply click on this button and remove this malicious resource from the list. Basically, this should fix the problem, but I would also strongly advise checking your system with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the software and start checking your computer to be convinced that it is free of any other hidden infections. After you successfully download and install the Combo Cleaner antivirus for fixing your Windows computer, you may select your preferred scan type. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so it only gives you quick scan option in the trial mode, even though the premium version also gives you the full scan option and a custom scan. You may click on Start Scan button, and the program will prepare to scanning your computer. It will start reporting certain issues that may be related to your browser, or it may detect more serious threats. You may experiment with the preferences of Combo Cleaner. For instance, Combo Cleaner Premium version works very well with its feature called anti-ransomware. It gives you the chance to add a special folder where you may store protected items, protected documentation. But this component is only the feature of the premium version. So then while the scanning is taking place, you will be able to observe what particular threats are detected, and then at the end of scan you will see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. The premium version of Combo Cleaner gives you important features such as anti-malware, anti-ransomware, and web browsing protection. So with these three features being the part of the premium version, your computer will be fully protected. This includes protection against malware, viruses, ransomware, and suspicious pop-up ads, annoying redirections, and other troubles that people may experience with their browser. But once again, all these three features that are summarized as real-time protection are only the part of the premium version of the software. So, once the scanning is completed, you will see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. You may remove all these threats with the premium version of the program, or ask for a special trial key with the limited period of usage to completely enjoy and evaluate Combo Cleaner Premium version.